Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can update Quick Add in Snapchat app. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get started. So, in order to do this, you need to open the Snapchat app, of course. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. I'm going to show you in general what a quick add on Snapchat is. If we scroll through our profile, we'll see here the Add Friends section. If we click on, we'll see this big list of people that we can add as friends. And if let's say we select a certain person, and we click on that person to add them, you'll see that immediately you'll see in the menu that you can write that person a message right away. Or you can take a picture of yourself or something and send it to that person. But what if you want to update that list? Then we go back to our profile. This is where we click on the gear at the top. After we go to Settings, we scroll down, and we find the Clear Data section. Then at the very bottom, we find Clear Cache. Click on it. Clear our cache. After that, the application will automatically exit. Now you need to log into Snapchat again. Go back to our profile. Click Add Friends. We can update. And as you can see, we now have an updated list of people we can add as friends. That's how you can update a quick add in the Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later.